morning, girls. Hi, Halo. Good morning, Todd. Why do you keep doing this to me? Hey, you. I reached in to grab her. She hopped right out on her own. I'm sorry, I thought you needed help. That's not where you're supposed to sleep, girls. I just took the 2 duck eggs from this girl. We're not hatching out any more ducks. Sorry. Good morning, Reese. Good morning, Felicia. Good morning, Dwad. Hey, Moose. Nugget. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, girls. Good morning. That feel good. It's supposed to snow and be windy today, so I did leave the barn open. So we'll see if the girls utilize the barn or not. So we got Dwayne's area all cleaned up. Got him some breakfast. His booty is definitely growing some more of those feathers, so hopefully pretty soon they'll be over the red spot on his bottom and he'll be safe from the girls so he can go back outside. Honey is enjoying his morning breakfast. Luca got the rabbit area all cleaned up. Lennox had the good idea to feed him their breakfast in the house this morning so that they didn't mind being in there locked up. So Luca's getting them out. The snow is starting to come down, which means chores are going to be a bit harder. But it's a lot more fun to watch when you see these girls in it.
What's up, guys? It's heckin' cold outside, but the cows are hungry, so.
What do you think, girls? She's not even gonna fight you. That's rude. I figured you girls were out by now. They could be inside. The barn is wide open. They're choosing this instead.
Cleaning some poops up out of the barn. Getting ready to clean stalls.
The cows might not want to be in here, but the chickens do.
The barn's all cleaned up and ready for the cows. So I'm gonna go dump the poop wagon now. And then we'll clean out the chicken coop.
I came to clean out the bantam coop. I think I have quite a few friends today staying out of the snow. A new spot I'm gonna have to start looking for eggs is under the nesting box. Well, I got it all cleaned out. It's actually a lot harder when they're all in visiting. It's harder to clean because I like to stick the broom in between the nesting bars to sweep it out rather than climb under. But we got her done. These are our eggs from the bantams today. Coming to put the girls up. I think everyone's ready for bed except for Atlee. You ready for bed, sister? Let's go. See how messy it is in here. We used some treats and got the girls into their stalls. Not before they got into the Silkies area and dumped all their food and spilled their water. So have to redo that bedding. Laban's going to use the rake brush and get the ice off the girls. And then we're going to go from there. All right, everyone's in the coop. Reese is still hanging out on the ground, so I'm going to put him up. And we'll close everyone up. We got Reese up under the coop. I put him under the light, so hopefully the snow that's on him and his feathers will melt off throughout the night. Everyone else, Nugget's still down here, and a few of the girls are down here, but they'll make their way up. So we'll see you in the morning, girls.
Time for bed, guys. Good night, everybody.
We got the Silkies area all back and ready for them for bed, so they're put up. Laban brushed out Harlow and Ember. He's now working on Atlee. Wayne set up a heater so that they can get defrosted. He has given everyone hot water. So we're almost there for the night. Dove is anxious to get her treats and get all brushed out. We let the girls stay inside. It's cold.
Raise your hand if you're ready for springtime.
There's nice warm water. So we have all the girls as dry as we could. They're enjoying some evening snacks and are all ready for bed.
Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you guys all have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.